So, guys, today we'll be taking you for our grocery shopping in MTR. So, stay tuned and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hi everyone, welcome to my another vlog. So guys, today I'll be taking you to MTRs for my grocery shopping. Also guys, you can say in the comment box below that where do you do your grocery shopping from. Basically, I do my grocery shopping from MTRs because MTRs is providing a one-stop solution that offers 52,000 products holding 10,000 brands along with the best price and promotional deals for its customer base. So me and my family, like my parents, my sisters and all, they usually prefer coming to Imtiaz and getting their grocery shopping done here, because here you will find all the price of the products very reasonable as compared to the price which you find in a normal shop that you go for your grocery shopping from. So guys, as you can see that there is a variety of juices you can find, milk, you can find cold drinks and everything here, all kind of thing. And the store looks quite big. It's very big, where you will find everything, all the products and brands of the products, in the same roof here. So we usually come, once a week for our grocery shopping, and we get here everything that we need. Even we find here a very good pharmacy. These are all the preservatives items, ready-made items, you can say that, which you can use ready to cook, you can say. Here you can find the milk, all-purpose milk, and there's other milk as well, like milk pack and all, Nesvita. And here you will find all the things. Here you will find all the electronic items. Also you will find all the cleaning items here, shampoos, the hair colors and everything of different brands you can see here. Tissue boxes of different brands you will find here, which are quite reasonable, you can say that. So guys, these are the party packs, you can say that, where you get that disposable plates and spoons and everything, cup, and you'll find that of different types. And they were quite reasonable, I can say that. It mean like they were quite reasonable. So here there is a wide range of cleaning items. There are a lot of things that, because I had come for my grocery shopping with my mother and with my sister, so they were helping me with the shopping, and I was making the vlog. Different kind of soap and hand wash you'll find here, a wide range of good quality and brands with reasonable price. A wide range of toothpaste. And these are all the kitchen items, you can say that, electronic items, and then comes the cold drink, which we usually love it. So we had picked up some cold drinks as well.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
We had also picked up some juices as well, because my son Arthur, he loves having juice. I do give him juice, but I don't give him a lot, because too much of juice is not good for the health. I usually try my best to give him fresh juice. So I've picked up slice, because we are holding a small party in our house. So for this reason, I had to do this grocery shopping. So these are all the candies and everything, the chocolates of different kind. Okay guys, so now comes my favorite place, the area where you'll find a lot of chocolates and biscuits, cakes and everything, which I really love eating. And here you will find all the spices of different kind, powder, and you'll find the whole spices as well.
We'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
And here you will find the coconut milk,
We'll go,
which you can use it in making curry, especially the Thai curry. When you make, you use coconut milk for that. So guys, here you will find the tea leaves. I usually use Tapal Danedar for making my tea, because it is very it gives you a good taste in your tea, and people, they love it. So I usually use Tapal Danedar to make my tea.
waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So this is the ketchup area, where you'll find the chili sauce and other sauces here, of different kind, of different products you'll find here. I usually use Michel tomato ketchup and the chili sauce. It's good brand, actually, you can say that.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And
Okay guys, so I've picked up some sandwiches, and now we are at the counter. So now we are basically at the counter,
sun rays.
packing our things.
Through the wastelands, through the
And now we are basically done with our